Hey guys, good morning. Coach here. So we're 2-0, both hit T3, played them two different ways, and now we're waiting. And I just wanted to kind of give you my thought process of how I'm playing this on a broker. So if you start here with strategy 6, which is where I would start every morning to see if I'm in an uptrend or a downtrend, and we've been in an uptrend since 2:40 this morning. I would not be looking for any more strategy 6s until it creates a sell strategy. As long as these EMAs are getting further apart, I'm I'm not saying you can't buy it. I wouldn't say I'm not playing it here because I'm trying to push the high up, and on a trend strategy, it needs to move 10 pips from the time I get my entry, right, all the way up. So it's already moved 28 pips. That's 3 times further than I'm looking for it to go. So it may not go any further. So for a trend strategy, I'm not looking for a trend. But you can take it over here playing strategy 1, 3, 4, and 5. So I took it here off of strategy 3. It hit all 3 targets. I've gotten 2 more setups, right, to continue buying. So this mindset is still going in this trend mindset, right? But just because I get my steps doesn't mean that I'm going to take it, because I'm not thinking about it from a mechanical point of view, which is where everyone must start. Do I have step 1? Yeah, go to step 2. Do I have step 2? Yeah, go to step 3. Do I have step 3? Yeah, go to step 4. Do I have step 4? Yeah, push the trigger, right? And if you do that on Nadex, you would win 7 out of 10 if you didn't mess with it, right? Once you advance past that stage where now you're using your mindset, so you have skill set, you do that mechanical stuff just to prove to yourself, hey, this skill set works. If I get those steps and I don't mess around with it, I will win an average of 7 out of 10. Well, how do you know that? Because we've been doing it for 8 years here together. It will hit a T1 8 out of 10 times, 7 out of 10 times, right? But once you get past the fact of trusting it, like, okay, I trust the strategies now. I've learned them and I trust them. Now you can use your mindset. So maybe you don't win 7 out of 10. Maybe you can win 8 out of 10, or as we did, 9 out of 10. How do you do that? Well, don't just jump the minute you get all 4 of your binary steps. Look at it and say, okay, I've got a 1.6 spread or a 2-point spread, meaning if I'm trying to buy that or sell that, it's going to have to move down 2 pips or 1.8 pips just to get me even. And I don't think it's going to go but 3 pips to make my $30. Can it do it? Yes or no? What would stop it? That pivot point. What if it gets through that pivot point, that pivot point? Measure between those 2 pivot points. How far is it? 1.6 pips. Well, hell, don't take that trade, because it's not going to do a thing but go down there and bounce and turn. You will learn this by doing this. You will not be perfect. Practice makes permanent. Perfect practice makes perfect. Do it. Track it. Start with 10 cents a trade. When you can do 7 out of 10, 7 out of 10 after you've done 100 trades, go to $1 trade. Once you can do that 7 out of 10, 7 out of 10 times, not only is your account growing, now you can go to $2 or $3 or $7 or $10, right? So this is that whole mindset psychology stuff that I've been talking about so long. You're going to have to use it more here because there's no safety net. If you screw around and forget to set a stop loss, or you think you've got your stop loss set, but you didn't confirm it. Now, if you're trading with one-click trading, that's the beauty of it. When you enter a trade, it sets it. The minute I drag my stop loss where I want it, it sets it. The minute I put my TP where I want, it sets it. It's literally one click. But if you're going to be trading different amounts, like trading $1 on this on EU and trading $3 on USD CHF, you can go in here and manually set it, or you can change it from one click to where you're doing market orders, and then setting stop limits. So you can choose how you want to play it, but psychology is going to be your best friend. Don't play this mechanically. You don't have a safety net.